Whether you're facing the same issue that we're going to be talking about in today's video or any other issue as an Amazon seller, I want you to know you can call us right now, or you can submit your case on our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. We have a huge case submit button. You put in your information and we will get back in touch with you as soon as possible. If you're a private label Amazon seller or you own your own brand, I want you to know that Amazon either made a mistake or they're trying to get around us as we protect your sales. What am I talking about? We engage in brand protection for Amazon sellers. When you have your own branded product, you have brand registry 2.0, and we are really good at it because we protect your sales without needlessly harming other sellers, and we think it's absolutely vital. So what did Amazon do? They went around us, they went around our client's law firm and contacted the seller directly. We found out about it in about 30 seconds, reached out to Amazon, and we are making sure that all of their sales are fully protected from hijackers. If you own your own brand and people are starting to siphon off your sales, you want to know how to protect it, how to take your products outside of the first sale doctrine, contact us for a free consultation. Rob Siegel, Sean Banahan, myself, we are here to help you protect what you've built with your blood, sweat, and tears, which is your branded products. Here's our number for a free consultation, or you can always email me and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.